When we exercise, we are conscious about how we grab the bar, how we need to stand, how we need to squat, things like that. But the question is, are you conscious on how you sit, walk, sleep, things like that? Most people say no. Now, that's what we call bad posture. So, let's say I have a good posture and this is a bad posture. Now, with bad posture, we usually have pain around, upper back, neck, round shoulders. Now, you're asking, how can chiropractic help with bad posture? As chiropractor, we identify postural imbalances that can affect the spine and the body. Come to Lowe Chiropractic, get an exam, get a plan, and get the results you're looking for. So, let's get adjusted and work on this posture. I'm Dr. Ciuro.